EQ, or
equalization,
is a tool used by sound engineers to make things sound
good.
It allows you to change the volume of specific frequencies to change the timbre of your instruments. Guitar sounds muddy, lower the 600 Hz. Snare needs punch, up the 4K. Kick needs more room, mute the bass. EQ is the first step within the mixing process after getting levels and serves as the biggest influence on the tone of your mix. Don't be fooled though, you can't polish a turd and you definitely can't EQ a bad recording into a good one. A surefire sign of a beginner mix is for everything to be over EQ'd, so use it subtly to tickle the sound of your instruments in the way that you need, unless you play metal, in which case scoop those mids. You can also use EQ to create effects. Use a high and low pass filter to mimic the sound of a telephone.
Why are you saying okay, but this is literally the first...
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is EQ. Sometimes they look like this, and sometimes they look like this, but all of them can do this.